Hello and welcome to this course where we are going to discuss about affiliate marketing and email marketing. Basically, we are going to discuss about how you can do affiliate marketing by using email marketing. Now, this is a course which is based on real results and you are going to see this in the next lecture. Basically, you are going to see our results with this, and basically in this first introductory lecture, we are going to talk a little bit about the concept of affiliate marketing. Why is this a very good business model for you to start right now? And basically it will give you the insights so you can understand better what affiliate marketing is all about roughly, and then we can go further with the information into email marketing and actually how to build this as a business. So first, let's have this introductory lecture and let's see what affiliate marketing is all about. So first of all, affiliate marketing can be described as one of the most efficient forms of performance-based marketing. You probably already know that in the modern economy, performance-based marketing is getting more traction than ever. Why? Because it's more efficient for companies, for businesses, and for everyone else. The contrast between affiliate marketing and traditional marketing is the fact that affiliate marketing is based on performance. That means that you don't just waste money on advertising and don't know what to expect. Okay, with affiliate marketing you get actual results. Okay, so it's a performance-based type of marketing, the best it is in our opinion. So why? I've already give you a couple of reasons, but let's go over them again. Simply because affiliate marketing is centered around the concept of paying a commission out of a sale to the affiliate who brought in the sale and client. It's basically a win-win situation. Affiliate marketing, it's actually a combination between marketing and sales. Why? Because affiliate marketing or an affiliate, it's like a salesperson, but a person which is project based. Okay, he can bring you sales whenever he wants to and you pay him a commission. In a traditional company, you have sales agents who are your employees and you pay them a commission for the sales that they make every month. The only difference between affiliates and salespeople is that affiliates are not your employees and they can choose this month to bring you 100 sales and they get paid for that, and in the next month they don't have to bring you any sales at all. Okay, it's not necessary. So that's the difference. Anyway, it's a win-win situation because it's a concept which compensates, okay, the marketing for actual sales. So you don't waste money on advertising and have no clue if you are going to make any sales or not. So that's the whole main the idea of affiliate marketing. Thank you very much for watching, and we are looking forward to see you in the next